Hello students, today we will discuss some problems from exercise 12.1. We already learned about the congruency of triangle. So, if two triangles are congruent, when two triangles are congruent, if side property is hold or side angle side property is hold, that time the two triangles are called congruent triangle. So here is given two triangle, one is PSR, another one is RQP. You have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. This is the congruent sign equal, and there is one this type of sign. And is PS is equal to QRY and angle S is equal to angle QY. So the first question is given here. State three pair of equal part in triangle this and triangle this. So in this triangle, look, SR is equal to PQ. So you can write here SR equal to PQ, and this PR, this triangle PR is equal to this triangle PR. That means you can write here PR is equal to PR, and this is a common side. And this triangle SRP and this triangle QPR, both are 30 degree. Clear? So these three pairs are equal. And for the second question, is these two triangles are congruent or not? Look, we know that if two triangles are congruent, then which properties have to hold? This side angle side property or side angle side property. Here is, look, this side equal to this side equal to this side, because this is a common side, and this angle is equal to this angle. Look, two equal side they have a equal angle. Two equal side they have a equal angle. These two equal side they have a equal angle. That means according to the side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. This is the congruent sign. Okay, this way equal, and then this type of sign. So again we know that if two triangles are congruent, then which things are happen? Their corresponding sides and their corresponding angles are equal happen. So PS is equal to this corresponding side. Clear? And this corresponding angle and this corresponding angle is equal to this corresponding angle, and this angle is equal to this angle also. Clear? But here asking you only, is AC is equal to Q or not? Obviously AC is equal to Q, because these two are corresponding angle of two congruent triangle. Clear? So question number 10 is done. So go to next one. So the next one is given. In the given figure, AB is equal to DC, angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB is given. State three pair of equal parts in triangle. This is a triangle sign happen. Triangle ABC and triangle DCB. These two triangles are congruent or not? This is a congruent sign. Or AC is equal to DB or not, and why? Look, in this triangle ABC, and there is one triangle BDC. This triangle, this angle is equal to this triangle, this angle are equal. Why equal? Because they are equal. And this triangle BC side, this triangle BC side, and this triangle BC side are equal, because this is a common side. Clear? And again, this triangle this side and this triangle this side is equal. Here, so according to the law of side, this is angle side. So these two triangles are congruent triangle. Here, again go to the similar concept. We know that corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal for a two congruent triangle. So this is this side and this side is equal, because this is the corresponding, they are the corresponding sides of two equilateral triangle ABC and DBC. Now go to next one. So question number 12 is given. In a quadrilateral AC, quadrilateral is ACBD. Here in this quadrilateral, AC is equal to AD given, and AB is the bisector of CAD. What is the meaning of bisector? That means this angle divided two part with this line. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Here state three pair of equal part of triangle ABC and triangle ADB. So in this quadrilateral, AC is equal to AD and CAD, and AB bisect angle CAD. Now in this triangle, this side equal to this triangle, this side. Here AC is equal to AD. Why equal? Because they are given. And this triangle, this angle, and this triangle, this angle is equal. Why? Because AB be the bisector of angle CAD. Here, and look, this AB be the common side of this triangle and common side of this triangle also. That means AB is equal to AB. Why? Because they are common side. So according to the law of side, angle, side, so these two triangles are congruent triangle. Clear? So again go to the same formula. We know that for two congruent triangle, their corresponding angle and corresponding sides are equal. So this is the corresponding side of this angle triangle. This is the corresponding side of this triangle. That means these two are equal. Clear? And this is the corresponding angle of this triangle, and this is the corresponding angle of this triangle. That means these two are also equal. Clear? Thank you.